If we pay close attention to nature, we'll see godly principles. This right here is divine order at its finest. Everyone knows their roles. Everyone is in alignment. Everyone is on one accord. They're collective, but they're individuals. They understand the power of unity. They're stronger together. If we could get that as people and stop letting our differences separate us, oh my God, we could change the planet and change the world and raise the vibration of it. And experience the true purpose of life, which is abundance, happiness, peace, unity, love, oneness. You can be a collective and you're wealthier and more free in that way because you're stronger together. So when you strike out and do your own thing, you're still not alone. Hope y'all get that. Sending much love, light, and positive energy to all. Peace.